Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video going to be about this wig I bought a year ago, and this is my second time wearing it. Before we start, keep in mind I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm just a regular girl trying to do her own hair. So I washed my hair earlier and let it air dried. I contour my hair in full section. I know they're not near perfect. I can't braid with long nails, but at this point I just need my hair braided flat. Nobody going to see it under my wig, so it doesn't matter. Today we are not going to do a ball cap, and if you would like to know how to make a ball cap, I have this video link ready down below. Just click on it after watching this video. I am using this lace glue called Ghost Bond to glue down my lace. I'm going to use 2 layers of glue. Before adding the second layer, make sure you blow dry the first layer till it looks clear, then add more if you are not satisfied. I am wrapping my hair with mega wraps I bought from eBay and put a scarf over it. Now I am back in morning. I woke up an hour ago trying to finish up this hair, guys. I'm using my hot comb to straighten the root to make it more flat, and use a flat iron to give the hair a straighter finish. Now I'm about to create some baby hair. I'm going to use this forming lotion. This will give the hair a really nice soft hold and keep the hair in shape. I don't know why I put this much of foam. I'm going to use a little bit of my foundation on the scalp to make it look more natural. this is my hair a week after. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.